What is up, you guys? Welcome to today's video. I hope you're doing well. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you a Chanel True unboxing. I haven't done one of these in such a long time, and it came in this box. So I'm so excited to introduce you to her and meet her for the first time. So it's going to be, yeah, a first impressions true unboxing. I'm going to see like how I love her. Is the color as expected? Is the condition as expected? Yeah, I received it like this. It's a very thin box, so that means that it didn't come with the original Chanel box. I purchased this one, I think on the 5th of April, and it took like a month and a bit for it to arrive because this arrived by sea shipment. And looking at the invoice on the box here, it's got the value in Japanese yen, 537,540 Japanese yen, but I think that's a tax-free price. When this arrived, I didn't have to pay any duties or taxes. Thank goodness, I know. Let's just get straight into opening it. Oh wow, all right. Are you guys excited? Oh my gosh. Wow. So there is this. Okay, all right. This is so interesting. Well, it's good because it doesn't move or anything. So I'll just slice this open somehow. All right. Oh my gosh.
Two hours later.
All right, they've packed this so well. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm so excited. Bubble wrap. Can you guys guess what sort of bag this is? So it comes with the black dust bag. This dust bag is brand new. Oh wow, all right, oh wow. Okay, revealing to you. Ta-da! Oh my gosh. This is actually really gorgeous. Wow. Comes with a felt protector and the chain is bubble wrapped. So I'll take this bubble wrap off. So it is nicely wrapped. Oh my gosh, this color is gorgeous. It is so gorgeous. I'll just introduce this bag to you first. So this is a Chanel rectangle mini flap. It's in this gorgeous Bottega green with light gold hardware, and I fell in love with this color from seeing it on Misha Watch Fashionista. I'll take the felt protector off as well. I'll just inspect it. I just feel like it's been squashed. Oh, far out. I'll just open this up. My only concern with this was that, yeah, I thought so. Yeah, so there is a little bit of creasing here. The photos were just so blown out that you couldn't really see the creasing. That's okay. It comes with the bit of tissue paper. I think the authenticity card is in here. Yep. Authenticity card is in this plastic. Maybe I'll just take it out of the... Just take it out of this. Because it seems like it just seems like it's fake when they put it in a plastic. So that's the authenticity card, and it is a 29 series. There's still the sticker on the hardware. The tip of the turn lock doesn't have no scratches at all. No scratches, no dents. It still smells brand new, store fresh. This bag is quite soft. Give you a close up of the bag. Still has the stickers on. Corners are perfect. Back pocket is perfect. The inside, there's like no scratches underneath the flap. The zipper still has the sticker on it. Chanel made in Italy. That's the inside of the bag. Very, very cute. Love it. So I've just stuffed the bag with the paper that it came with and put a bag organizer in there just to really puff out the creases. So I first saw this bag on Instagram from a Japanese consignment store called Vintage Purpose Japan, and then I asked, would you have more photos of the bag? Does this bag have creases on the front? They sent me more photos through and I couldn't really see creasing. It must have been like because the light was so bright that it was blowing out the creases, or maybe they had stuffed the bag. And then I was searching on Rakuten. It's like a Japanese eBay, and it's a website that I haven't purchased from for about 2.5 years. So I saw on there, and I saw that it was a better price on Rakuten than it was on eBay, because they also had this bag listed on eBay. So I went ahead and I purchased it on Rakuten, and yeah, so it arrived, you know, via sea shipment. Took a little bit of a while, but it's packaged nicely. And can I just say that this color is just absolutely gorgeous. I wanted this color because for me, this is like a pop neutral, and I wanted to branch out in color. If you watched my luxury wish list video, I mentioned in that video that I would love this bag in this color, but in a small or a medium large, like a classic flap size. But I saw this and I thought the price was really good, and why not? Like a Chanel green flat bag is really hard to find, especially a nice color for a good price. I don't know how much these are going for now. I think they're going for $6,690. So I thought this was a pretty good price, even though it didn't come with a box or receipt or anything like that. Like when you purchase from Japanese sellers, they rarely ever send you the receipt. I've never come across one that has the original receipt. So I'm really happy that I found this bag for the price that I did. Yeah, I've seen these bags go for $7,250 on eBay. I paid $6,064 for it, and then I paid $55 shipping, and they shipped it via surface mail by sea. On the description of contents is shoulder bag, and they've declared the tax-free Japanese value. When you purchase something from Japan, they always minus the tax if they're shipping it out of Japan. So if I were to pay duties and tax on this, it would be on top of this tax-free price. And yeah, transaction went smoothly, everything went well. It's a gorgeous color, it's brand spanking new, a little bit of creasing. Other than that, everything is like perfect. So what do you guys think of the color of this? I think it's absolutely gorgeous. It's like this, it's like a Celine green or a Bottega Veneta green. So it's sort of like that nice bright peacock sort of green, which is so hot. And I just fell in love with this color. I don't know where I was, like, was this color released in Australia? Maybe I wasn't into green at the time. I'm gonna try it on for you guys. Do you think that it's a nice pop neutral? It's very vibrant, isn't it? On camera it looks very vibrant. Even in person it looks so vibrant. I love it. I've had a rectangle mini flap in the red lambskin with ruthenium hardware, and I found that really hard to style, and I had that bag for I think 4 or 5 years. I never reached for it and I sold it off. So this one is a replacement for that. This one will be my fun pop neutral, and it's actually a really good length. This is my other classic rectangle mini. Oh my gosh, the chain is going to be so much longer. Is it? Yeah. So interesting. Not that much of a difference, just a little bit. I guess sometimes with seasonal rectangle mini flaps, sometimes the strap length can be a little bit different because these do get snapped up very quickly, especially this color. It's quite rare. It has a little bit of creasing. But other than that, this is a brand spanking new bag, and it was just one that was probably, because it's lambskin and it's soft, they probably just stuffed it in one of the cupboards in Chanel, or maybe someone purchased it and then they squished the bag or something, or they sat on it, I don't know. But a little bit of creasing, that's okay. It's such a cute color that it's forgivable. So that's my true unboxing of this gorgeous Chanel rectangle mini flat from the 20S collection, 29 to 30 series, light gold hardware in gorgeous bright green lambskin. It's such a classy, fun green, and my very first ever green handbag. It's absolutely gorgeous. I love it. It's really cute. Yeah, pretty positive experience from purchasing from Rakuten. So yeah, I would love to know your thoughts on this bag, the color, you know, the whole true unboxing and everything. What are your thoughts on it? Is it something that you thought that I would purchase? Like color-wise, I definitely think it'll work well with my wardrobe. I love that the strap is a lot shorter too, so I don't have to use one of those bag clips, which I rarely use anyway. But yeah, I do love to wear rectangle minis crossbody because I love a crossbody bag. Sometimes you want to be hands-free when you're shopping, and I love that this bag just really pops. It really pops. It's such a gorgeous green, isn't it? I'm really excited that I have this in my collection, and adds a little bit of a pop of a fun color and will go with a lot of my wardrobe, which I'm really excited about. I'm just trying to stick to a lot more classics because they're a lot more timeless. And yeah, So that's all for this video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't catch you next time. I will see you in my next video. Bye.